If you love effortless blending and smooth recipes, today's pick will upgrade your kitchen experience instantly. Top 5 Best Hand Stick Mixer, designed for power, comfort, and flawless results every single time. From soups to smoothies, this compact tool delivers chef-level performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Turelar Hand Stick Mixer. The Turelar Hand Stick Mixer stands out as a powerhouse for those who value silky textures and effortless blending in their kitchen. Powered by an impressive 1100W full copper motor, this hand blender crushes, chops, and blends ingredients in seconds, eliminating lumpy textures and delivering velvety smooth results every time. Whether you're pureeing vegetables, making smoothies, emulsifying sauces, or whipping dessert batters, the mixer maintains high performance with minimal effort required from a user. The pulse-activated variable speed trigger gives complete control with one touch, allowing smooth transitions between low and high speeds while preventing splattering. Its ergonomic non-slip grip ensures comfort during extended blending sessions, which home cooks will truly appreciate. One of the most thoughtful features is the food-grade nylon blade guard that prevents scratches on cookware and reduces suction for safer and easier use. Cleanup is just as convenient. Attachments detach with a single click, and safety approvals guarantee long-term durability. The reinforced blades handle hot and tough ingredients without hesitation, while BPA-free components ensure safety for family cooking. From soups to smoothies, baby food to whipped cream, the Turelar Hand Stick Mixer proves to be a versatile kitchen companion. It also makes a wonderful gift for parents, newlyweds, food lovers, or anyone setting up a new home. Built for power, comfort, safety, and easy cleaning, this model is perfect for users who want premium results at home without relying on bulky appliances. Overall, it offers commercial-level blending capability in a compact and user-friendly package. Number 2. MuellerLiving Hand Stick Mixer. The MuellerLiving Hand Stick Mixer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to streamline cooking while maintaining impressive performance. Designed as a slim yet powerful immersion blender, it tackles mixing, blending, whisking, and frothing without requiring multiple appliances. Its detachable accessories add tremendous versatility, allowing users to make everything from creamy soups and fruit shakes to foamy cappuccinos and fluffy whipped cream. The stainless steel blending shaft transitions seamlessly from smoothies to baby food, while the milk frother attachment creates lattes and cold foam with ease. For bakers, the whisk attachment handles cream, eggs, and batter while reducing wrist strain compared to manual mixing. Operation is intuitive. Attach the desired head, submerge into ingredients, plug in, and switch speeds as needed. The ergonomic grip with non-slip texture ensures comfort and stability, and the Turbo Power mode offers an extra boost for tougher recipes or dense mixtures. One of the most convenient advantages is the thoughtful splash reduction blade housing, keeping your countertop and clothing clean even when blending hot soups. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free after meal preparation. Despite its simplicity, the MuellerLiving Hand Stick Mixer proves itself as a multifunctional tool suited for everyday use, helping users save time and space in the kitchen. Number 3. Mueller Hand Stick Mixer. The Mueller Hand Stick Mixer raises the standard for immersion blenders with its raw power, thoughtful engineering, and multi-function versatility. Featuring an 800-watt copper motor and a titanium-reinforced 4-blade system, this model demolishes hard ingredients with remarkable efficiency, ensuring smooth and clump-free textures whether you're making smoothies, sauces, dips, or baby food. With 12 adjustable speeds and a turbo boost mode, users get precise control over consistency while maintaining outstanding performance. One of the standout highlights is its comprehensive 5-in-1 accessory system, which includes a snap-on whisk, a frother, a 20-ounce beaker, and a twist-and-lock 16-ounce chopper that acts like a compact food processor. The powerful chopper prevents mess and eliminates the discomfort of cutting onions manually, making meal preparation far easier. Comfort and practicality were also prioritized. The non-slip grip handle supports prolonged use without hand strain, and the slim body fits into bowls and pots of different depths with ease. Cleaning is also stress-free thanks to dishwasher-safe attachments and detachable parts that release instantly. Whether you're creating gourmet dishes or simple daily meals, this blender adapts to different cooking styles and needs. It's especially appealing for small kitchens where space is limited but versatility is essential. The Mueller hand stick mixer is an ideal investment for serious home cooks who want professional-level blending, chopping, and whisking performance packed into a single compact appliance. Every detail, from power output to attachment variety, makes this model a reliable and efficient kitchen essential. Number 4. ZKBHOME hand stick mixer. The ZKBHOME hand stick mixer combines high power, smart design, and dependable safety to deliver a complete blending experience for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Driven by an 1100W full copper motor, it handles smoothies, soups, sauces, marinades, whipped cream, and more with remarkable speed and consistency. The pulse-activated trigger offers full speed control with a single touch, eliminating splashes and allowing seamless adjustment between low and high speeds while handling both hot and cold liquids safely. This 3-in-1 set includes a blending shaft, whisk, and milk frother, giving the user flexibility to prepare meals and beverages without additional appliances. Whether making creamy baby food, weekend pancakes, or a latte with rich foam, switching attachments is simple with an easy click mechanism that saves time during meal prep. The bell-shaped base and nylon blade guard protect valuable cookware, preventing scratching and reducing suction to promote smoother blending action. Unlike bulky countertop machines, this handheld mixer provides the same results while taking up minimal space and requiring little cleanup. All detachable parts are dishwasher-friendly, and wiping the main body keeps it looking new. Made from stainless steel and BPA-free materials, it ensures long-term durability and safe contact with hot dishes. The intuitive design, power output, and multiple attachments make the ZKBHOME hand stick mixer a perfect match for families and food enthusiasts who expect both convenience and performance from their kitchen tools. It turns everyday cooking into a faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable experience. Number 5. Vitamix hand stick mixer. The Vitamix hand stick mixer blends professional-grade performance with intuitive usability, living up to the brand's reputation for premium kitchen tools. Equipped with a powerful 625-watt motor and 5 adjustable speed levels, it delivers consistent blending, whisking, and pureeing performance across a wide range of recipes. From creamy soups to pancake batter, sauces, smoothies, and whipped toppings, this mixer adapts easily through fast switching attachments. The 4-pronged stainless steel blade blends even dense ingredients effortlessly, while the whisk attachment transforms cream and eggs quickly without clumps. Its ergonomic design supports true one-handed operation for both right and left-handed users, letting you add ingredients freely while blending. The long 5-foot cord expands workspace flexibility, unlike cordless options that restrict movement. Another thoughtful touch is the bell guard, which reduces suction, improves blade flow, and protects cookware from scratches. Whether blending directly in a pot on the stove or using a mixing jar, this blender performs smoothly. All pieces pack neatly into the included storage case, keeping attachments organized and extending their lifespan. Cleanup is fast, and its durability ensures reliability for frequent use in busy kitchens. The Vitamix hand stick mixer is ideal for food enthusiasts who demand restaurant-quality performance without sacrificing convenience. Its precision engineering, ergonomic comfort, and efficiency make it an excellent addition to households focused on healthy cooking and rich flavors. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.